everyone, Paul Akers, come to Japan and I'm going to show you the coolest things you'll ever see, like little cars and great factories and great restaurants and beautiful scenery. The Japan Study Mission is like nothing you'll ever see before. Konbawa. It's onsen time, it's evening time, and this is the way you do it. When you come up here, this is considered the dirty surface. This is the clean, so you go in backwards, you step out, and then you pick up your shoes like this, and you're going to find a locker, and you're going to put them in a locker right here, and then you're going to take a key, just like that. Now this is when you come to the onsen. When you go into your room, you're first going to be able to get a yukata right here. The left side goes over the right side, and then the belt goes on. You'll also find in the room a large towel and a small towel, and a small little bag to put your wet towel in when you're done. Now, I brought my room key, a comb, a toothbrush, and toothpaste. You don't have to do that, but if you want to do all that, you can bring it. And then you have this, and now we're going to go to the onsen, and we're going to go barefoot, just like that. So when you go in your room, you'll also notice you have a blue covering like this. This is only if you're cold, you wear the second layer. It's not necessary. Yukata just like this is plenty good enough.
And that don't do left.
Yeah.
No left on tap back.
And we're not going to change this right now, okay? One more thing. Pink is for the women, blue is for the men. So I have to go this way.
But tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning, they change it. Every day they change it. So tomorrow morning when we come down, we're going to go that way. So you have reservations about going to the onsen. I know what you're thinking. Jared, what do you say?
Absolutely do it. At first, I think half the people that were going to go were scared, and after they did it, everybody was happy they did.
That's right. It's a very cool experience. You're going to love it. Chill. Let yourself go in Japan. See you later.